Hi. In this clip I'm going to show you how to breastfeed in public with a nursing shawl. Now when you're out in public and there's people around and you want to be discreet while you're nursing, a nursing shawl is a great option. The first thing you want to do is find a comfortable place to sit when your back's supported. Make sure the baby's in alignment, the ear, the shoulder, and the hip, and then you're going to get out your nursing privacy prop. The shawl that I'm using today is called the Love Baby Shawl. And this one is really nice because it's a nice wide neck and really nicely wide open, so you can see your baby while you're nursing. So you're just going to go ahead and put this over your head, and you're going to cover up your baby with it and cover up your breasts and see this nice wide opening so you can see right down and see what you're doing. So you're going to hold it open, release your nursing bra, position the baby properly, latch the baby on, and you're doing this all under the shawl and nobody can see what's happening. And then you can just watch your baby while they're feeding on this side. After the baby's done nursing on the first side, you can put your bra back into place, put your shirt back, take the baby out, give a quick burp, and then you'll nurse on the other side doing the same thing. So you'll hold the baby, put the nursing shawl over his or her head, take your bra down underneath, latch the baby on, and then you're free to nurse. And if you're eating at a restaurant, you can go ahead and eat your meal or just sit and watch your baby nurse until they're done. When the baby's done on this side, you can cover up. You can also see the baby and still be covered up. When they're done, you just take them off. Put your bra back in place, all under the nursing shawl. Give another quick burp. And once the baby's done eating, you just take your nursing shawl right off. It folds up really, you can just roll it right up and comes in a little pouch. I just like putting it directly into the diaper bag. And then you're off.